Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Motorola smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store and get this application, the name CLONEit. Do the same on the Motorola. Okay, you can open on the Motorola, we got here, and open on your Samsung. You have to accept all of these notifications for the permissions on both smartphones. So click allow. Click sender on your Motorola and receiver on Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Click search again. And when you get here the Android share icon, you have to tap on it. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons. Here you get the size of the selected files and estimated time. But I'm going for the details, and I will send photo. I can send these 5 photos, so click start, OK. It's importing, and as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can check where it is. It will be probably in the files. When we enter for the pictures, for the images here, and in the downloads, you can find all of these 5 pictures that we sent from Motorola to our Note 20. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.